To find your patients by a specific diagnosis or CPT code that was recorded on a fee slip, open eyeReport number 220. Select the period, whether date of service, year, or month. There are 4 diagnosis codes that can be entered on a fee slip. Since you don't know whether the code was in the 1st through 4th, perform these steps for each code 1 through 4. In the primary diagnosis code column, click the drop-down list, select the code or codes, and find the patients who have those codes in a specific diagnosis. To find a single code, you can use the search field and find a single code. Clear the filter and perform the same steps in the 2nd diagnosis code field, the 3rd diagnosis code field, and the 4th diagnosis code field. Again, once the patient is found, you can highlight the name and address, paste them to a blank worksheet, and merge them into Word documents. You can also use this eyeReport to see what diagnosis codes are assigned to CPT codes, or find patients by CPT codes by again using the drop-down list and, for example, finding 92014. To not use the fee slip assigned diagnosis or CPT codes, but find patients by the codes entered in ExamWriter, open eyeReport 920. If you want to get counts of your patients with specific diagnosis or CPT codes, in the drop-down list, select the CPT or diagnosis codes, for example, 366. Scroll down to the ending line number. In this example, 189, and above primary diagnosis, enter 189. The calculation box shows 179 patients during the period have a diagnosis code that starts with 366. Use this worksheet area for the other diagnosis codes or the CPT codes build. Should you have any questions about this or any other eyeReports, don't hesitate to contact eyeReport support.